downsides were, I remember, the hours people talk about, right? Those same proverbial sleeping under your desk and all that. People weren't the nicest. And just to give you an idea of that group, there was 3 people when I started. I left, in about a year. I was the last person to leave. So it was just,
I think under a year and you were the last person to leave.
Exactly. So
that's not a good omen. That group was tough.
It was.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And I think, frankly, they had a reputation for it. And with that said, it sucked. I mean, I'm not going to, that's how I thought about it.
But this is good why we stay anonymous, because we don't have to name the bank or anything, but it's just good for people to know, to have their eyes open so they can get some of that group specific dynamics and information. Not that you necessarily had a choice, be like, hey, get me out of this group, but just if people do, and they can kind of push for other groups that potentially are a little more reasonable on the work-life balance.